I love buying random things, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the random things that I bought during this time. Hi my friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Tolu. It's not my fault that I buy random things sometimes. Like, it's not my fault, genuinely. Like, yeah. So starting off strong is this perfume from Zara. Fierce love, fierce love. Tell me you would not get that. But no, the story behind this is because I needed to change my perfume. Even though I love the perfume that I use, I currently use the 40 Sol de Janeiro. I love it, but I wanted something else, something to pair with it, something to, you know, to zhuzh it up. You know what I mean? Like you walk by, I already walk by and people are like, ooh, okay, yeah girl. But I want to walk by more and then everyone is like, ooh girl. And on TikTok, somebody actually said this perfume is very, very good.
See what this new limited edition Zara perfume is all about. Perfume has notes of myrtle, rose water, Turkish delight, tonka bean, vetiver, patchouli, tobacco. The opening is super sweet. The Turkish delight and the rose water hit you immediately and it smells a bit like sugared rose candy. I'm pleasantly surprised by this perfume because I thought the Turkish delight note would be too sweet, but the tobacco, patchouli, and rose water balance this out so well. It smells sugary and rosy, yet rich and warm and powdery at the same time.
I went to Zara to make this video and then I remember I was like, oh, I'm in Zara. I remember that perfume. Can I go check it out? Do they have it? And lo and behold, they had it. And then I got it. Ooh. Oh, this next one has a beautiful story to it. Yeah, it was not just an impulsive buying. I wanted to get an handbag for myself and somebody special to me. Yes, I wanted to get us the same thing. Yeah, because I wanted to have something, you know, matchy stuff. And I was going online. I didn't want to go to regular, you know, stores that we know. I found it on TikTok. It's called Charles and Keith. And I was like, I've never heard of this. They have such amazing things. All of these brands that I'm mentioning today are not sponsored. None of it is sponsored. Yeah, so I just want to put that out there. But I like what I like. And Charles and Keith came and delivered. And then I saw this bag and I was like, okay, I'm going to buy for myself first. And if I like it, then I buy the same for, you know, this person that I'm trying to buy something for. He came like this. This is it. Oh my god. Oh. I didn't know I was gonna like this color in person because I didn't want to get us like black, brown or whatever. This is called Dark Moss. Yeah, and this bag plus shipping, tax and everything was $153.50. And it came in sizes too. This is the medium size. Thank God I went for the medium because I was like, medium, would that be too small? No, it's not small. If you want something for like maybe a longer trip or whatever, maybe go for the large. But if it's like a everyday use, I feel like the medium is like the best. It came with this, the purse, and it's just like this, just this. But then the fun part to it was, so it closes. There's a magnet here and then just closes. And then if you want to make it into another style, you can just push it in, right? Push it in. I don't know, I haven't figured it out, but it did it in the video. And you just pull. This bag is just, I love it. This is the bag. The next thing is a body butter from Body Shop. Yeah, it's, bruh.
Is it possible that there's any lady here that does not have any of the Body Shop's body butter in their collection? You don't have it. You don't have it. The coconut, mango, satsuma. No, you don't have anyone. Okay, how about the strawberry yogurt? You don't have anyone. Shy. So you think when those ladies pass by you and smell so nice and so sweet, you think it's just their perfumes? You think, oh no, my darling, they go in first with their body butters before spraying the perfume. That's next level stuff.
I barely go to Body Shop, but when I go there, I'm like, yes, my money is, you know, well spent. You know, it's a good deal that they have sometimes. I'm good stuff, you know. Do I have a story for this? I don't have a story for this. I'm not gonna lie to you. I went to the mall with my sister and we saw Body Shop and we're like, okay, let's go check it out. And then we checked it out, and luckily for us, it was on sale. I can't even remember how much, but it was on sale and we got it. So here it is. So this one is the Moringa body butter. Yeah, guys, anything that would do my body good in terms of nutrients, I go for it. So oh my god. So this is gonna do my body great. That's all I can say. There's no story. The next one is from a brand called Health Planet.
I don't know about you, but Healthy Planet is literally my favorite store ever. I could literally spend hours just walking through the aisles. They have so much good stuff. I'm at the Healthy Planet Etobicoke location today, which I think is the best location. They have a Healthy Planet kitchen. Different flavored teas.
Oh, I've seen
Have
this.
you seen these?
Yes.
Nut butters here, like literally they have everything. Hazelnut butter, macadamia nut soda would be so good. And they have a whole aisle just full of like sodas and drinks. So many cold snacks. Maple flavored marshmallows. This high protein coffee looks so good. Look at that. Ooh, espresso and cream. Yum.
I also went in store. I grabbed body soap. I'm telling you, like anything that would do my body good, I buy it. And it was cheap. It was 3 for or 2 for something. I don't know. This one is bee pollen. And then the other one, olive oil. See, olive oil. That's it. You can check out Health Planet for like, you know, anything healthy. So the last thing that I want to show you guys today is I would say it's a dupe of Birkenstock, because it's Birkenstock, but like it's made by another brand. Yeah, that I got from Costco. Yeah. This brand is called Royal Canada. I think I should actually check them out. Oh, it's Royal Canadian, not Royal Canada. Yeah, Royal Canadian. It's a nice brand. Yeah, they're a good brand, but I got it from Costco. One thing about like buying this type of thing at Costco is that like a lot of people would try it obviously to see what their sizes are, but yeah, I bought it in black. You want to know how much I bought it? It was $40. $40 compared to like the actual Birkenstock. Yeah, so yeah, they are. I bought it in size 9. Yeah, because I had to size up. I would usually wear 8 or 8.5. I had to size up because 8 wasn't fitting well and they didn't have 8.5, so I went up and it's perfect. Yeah. So guys, that's everything from me to you guys. I hope you enjoyed my little random things all that I just showed you. Yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I'm trying to get to 50k by the end of this year. Please subscribe to this channel. Take care of yourselves, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.